let's make fruit cake perfect for the Christmas holiday, for Valentine's Day, for Mother's Day, and for tea. Hello everyone, today we are making fruit cake. First off, I'm going to blend my spices. I have my star anise, my ginger, and my cloves. I'm going to blend that with my mixed fruits. This fruit has been soaked in alcohol for some days so that the fruits will be plump and soft. I'm going to sieve my flour and my baking powder to avoid lumps. I put that aside and grate my cinnamon sticks and my nutmeg. You can use your already grated one. I put that aside and mix it with the flour mixture. I have my brown sugar and my eggs. I'm going to weigh my margarine out. You can use unsalted butter. I will mix the margarine first with the cake mixer, then I'll gradually go in with my brown sugar and allow everything to mix. From time to time, I'm going to scrape the sides of the bowl so everything is mixed properly. Here, I'm prepping my baking pan with margarine and flour. I'll go in with my vanilla essence and my eggs. You break your eggs one at a time. You don't want to have a bad egg in your cake batter. You allow everything to blend and you notice that it's all coated up. That's not an issue. It's normal. I'll transfer that to a bigger bowl so I can properly mix everything together. I'm adding my blended mixed fruits. Mix that in. I'm going to add my flour in batches. I'm not going to dump everything to avoid a dense cake. Mix that in properly. Put it in my baking pan, going in with my roasted coconut and some mixed fruits. I'll bake this in a preheated oven for 40 to 50 minutes or a toothpick comes out clean. And this is the cake. The cake is ready to be enjoyed. It is best to eat the cake the next day. Okay, the older the better. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.